sure.
So, Freddie, you were telling me for tomorrow, though, as we look ahead, maybe some rain chances.
Yeah, it looks like we're at the same spot that we were yesterday, just now a little earlier. I want to show you a live look out of Granite Shoals right now. The reason why I want to show this one to you, even though the image is a little blurry, is what you can see on the top part, which is plenty of clouds out there. That helped our temperature stay around 60 degrees. Satellite and radar not picking up any rainfall right now, but again, it's the cloud coverage that we've seen overall that has definitely helped us out as the day has gone on. Take a look at current temperatures right now. 53 degrees in Fredericksburg. We're looking at about 55 in Blanco, San Marcos at around 57 degrees. Lockhart at 57. Flatonia at 58. And San Saba at around 52 degrees. Overnight tonight, I'm expecting for temperatures to at least only drop down to around 54, and then that's pretty much it. However, I do expect for the chance of rain to pick up early in the morning. So let's play this out a bit more. I'll stop the clock here at about 4:30 in the morning. Just enough of that drizzle and light showers that could pick up that early in the morning. Some of it may not even reach the ground, but the chance is still there. Look at what happens, though, as we get to about 10:30 in the morning, as we see the beginning parts of that front coming in. Most of the models have been agreeing this is happening a bit earlier, but I'm still going to give it from about 10 to about 4 is what we should be watching should we get any severe weather whatsoever. So we'll watch this line of storms building up just ahead of that front. This model saying early by 10:30. By 2 o'clock says it's pretty much done. But again, I'm not going to put it past us to see the possibility of some of these storms actually picking up at 4. These shallow air masses are a lot harder for the models to predict just because they don't push as quickly. They may slow down in the process, which is why I'm giving us till 4 to kind of determine whether we're out in the clear at that point or not. So risk for Thursday, we're looking at pretty much nothing out towards Mason and Fredericksburg. You may still see showers, but then general thunderstorm category, Llano and Blanco. And then we look at category 1, which is marginal, and that's for the metro going up to Lampasas, Burnett, and down to Lockhart. And then we see slight, which means you have a better chance of seeing the possibility of some active weather. So here are the threats that are being predicted by the Storm Prediction Center. The chance of an isolated tornado, even though it's low, it's still a chance there. I think the biggest thing we're going to be watching for is hail that we could see picking up from many of the spots. Winds, you can see, are just out towards the eastern portion. That front, as it comes through, should at least help out a bit. But then after that, just drier air settles in, especially for Friday into Saturday. You may still see a couple of isolated showers Saturday itself, but that's pretty much it. So the amount of rainfall that we're actually getting on Thursday could be up to an inch of rain, especially in spots where you could see some of the heavier downpours. A lot of the models keeping most of the heavier showers towards the north, which is why you notice it kind of rounds out around Rockdale and Giddings compared to what we saw yesterday out towards LaGrange. Here's your travel forecast in case you're going to be heading out. If you're heading to the Rio Grande Valley, it's going to be breezy down there, 83 degrees, and we'll stay at around 83 over Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. If you're heading out towards Houston, where, you know, Beyonce performed earlier today, 75 on Thursday, 75 on Friday, 71 on Saturday. If you're heading out towards Dallas, we're looking at temperatures there at around 60s into 70 by Saturday. And if you're heading out towards El Paso, temperatures should remain in the 60s there too, around 64 to 66 degrees as we get into Saturday, around 71 degrees. So let's play this out. Friday, 79, Saturday, 78. Really, Thursday's the only one where we could see some active weather, and then things calm down. I don't see any rainfall in the forecast after that as we get into Monday, warming up, but then another front comes in, helps drive our temperatures down for Tuesday into Wednesday.